When it comes to the allegations against the Gandhis now, that has been cited by the probe agencies in the National Herald case, where the ED has now filed its charge sheet. We brought forth an intricate details regarding loans, alleged bid to take over AGL assets through fraudulent means, bogus donations and rent. And now for the first time, the victims of the alleged fraud are now speaking up, giving a first-hand account on how the alleged land transfers took place in blatant violation of rules, while Gandhis turned a blind eye. Times Now spoke to an AGL insider, a former employee of the Gandhis linked to the firm, who apparently now spills the beans. Mohammad Saeed, who used to work at an AGL property in Bhopal, claims that the land was illegally handed over to a private firm named Ganga Enterprises in 2001, and as many as 80 employees, including himself, were suddenly thrown out without their salaries being paid. He claims that he met Rahul Gandhi and apprised him about the alleged wrongdoing, but he chose to ignore it. Saeed also presented the documents to show how AGL land was gifted away to a private firm, allegedly in violation of the rules. He claims that big shopping malls and showrooms came up on the land afterwards. The question is, did Rahul Gandhi know about the alleged graft but chose to rather ignore it? Let's listen in to what the former employee of AGL told Times Now.
एसोसिएट जनरल लिमिटेड ने ये जमीन एचएस बग्गा के हैंडओवर की थी, जिसकी अनुमति नहीं है। प्रेस के लिए दी गई जमीन बेचने की या हैंडओवर करने की अनुमति नहीं है, इसके बावजूद दी गई।
इसका क्योंकि अर्जुन सिंह जी ने प्रेस कॉम्प्लेक्स में ये 30 लीज पे दी गई थी। सारे प्रेसों को अखबार की जमीन दी गई, ना तो ये बेच सकते थे, वो इन्हें कोई अधिकार नहीं था। उसके बाद हमने फिर इसका जो रिन्यूअल था, हमने लेटर लगाया कि हमारा पेमेंट नहीं आया तो इसको जमीन को रिन्यूअल नहीं करा जाए। लिहाजा यह कि हेड ऑफिस से लेटर आया कि इसको क्लोज कर दिया जाए। अच्छा। तो बीएन झा जो उनके पर्सनल मैनेजर थे, बीएन झा ने यहाँ पे आके वर्करों से एग्रीमेंट करा कि सबका हिसाब करा उन्होंने। जो 6 साल भर की तनख्वाह थी उसको उन्होंने पेमेंट करा। उसके बाद में बचावत एरियस और ग्रेजुएटी और पीएफ अदर पेमेंट जो है हम उसको 6 मंथ के अंदर अदा कर देंगे हम। अच्छा।
10 नवंबर 1992 का लेटर है, जिसमें 6 महीने की, देखिए 6 महीने की एक मियाद दी हुई है, 6 मंथ्स की इनका पैसा इन्हें अदा कर दिया जाएगा, लेकिन पैसा अदा नहीं किए है।
गांधी परिवार ने अनदेखी करी है। गांधी परिवार को तो यही नहीं बताया कि है क्या, अनदेखी करी है बिल्कुल। वो तो हमने जब उन्हें ये इतनी मोटी मोटी फाइलें भेजी हैं, राहुल गांधी को अभी पदयात्रा में हमने फाइल दी थी, उन्होंने उठा के वो कौन है, हरी सिंह जी कौन है, उनको दे दी, उनकी कार्रवाई होगी।
Congress, meanwhile, has decided once again to hit the streets across the nation. A day after holding demonstrations in states like Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Sikkim, Kerala, Telangana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and even in the national capital, the party has announced that the protests are now being planned in Maharashtra, in Haryana, and in Lakshadweep, as the Congress and its allies allege that there is no case against the Gandhis and that the ED is being misused by the central agency, by the central government, to silence the opposition.
Big tamasha of BJP, clear political vendetta. Everybody know that this case is completely a false case. Nothing is there in there. Therefore, they want to take revenge on their political enemies. They are misusing the agencies to target the opposition. This is what happening. Entire Congress party and people of India will stand by Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji.
वो केस में कुछ नहीं है, वो तो पेपर का केस है। जब उसकी मासी हालत कम हो गई तब उन्होंने थोड़े दिन बंद किए, फिर उसको चालू करने के लिए सोनिया गांधी जी ने पूरी कोशिश की, उसको डोनेशन ये और कर्जा लेके वो पेपर चलाए। लेकिन अब जो कर्जा लिए तुम वो गलत है, इनका कहना है। नेशन वाइड हमारा प्रोटेस्ट रहेगा। लोगों को यही बताना चाहते हैं हम, अननेसेसरीली ये सता रहे हैं।
Well, you heard that reaction coming in from the Congress president there, Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that this is unnecessary, and as far as when it comes to a fabricated case that has now been taken up against the Gandhis, where remember in part of the ED charge sheet, accused number 1 and accused number 2 has been named as Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. And yesterday we saw these protests that had been taking place in different parts of the country, where when it comes to the state units of the Congress, its Karyakartas and its leaders as well, hit the streets in the national capital as well, many of them who were also detained. Let's get in a word from Somit now. Somit, as far as in Telangana is concerned, it's already a Congress ruled state, and we're looking at protests also to be taking place over the ED action against the Gandhis.
Well, that's true. Because yesterday, all DCCs have been given a call, and Mahesh Kumar Gaud, who is the chief of the TPCC, has given a call to all the DCCs stating that all the DCCs should ensure that all the Congress cadre in the district Congress committee should come to a spot, and also they should stage a protest. And yesterday, even in the Hyderabad district Congress committee or the other districts, they have staged a protest in different places. And today, the TPCC has given a call that all the Congress leaders, top leadership should also be present at the ED office, and they should be reaching there by 10 or 11. And there they will be staging a protest against the central government. And yesterday, even a few Congress leaders were seen in the district Congress committees bringing in the Modi's effigy, and they burnt the Modi's effigy and raised anti-Congress, anti-Modi slogans. And even today, massive protest is expected at the ED office.
So massive protests are also being planned today. Somit, thank you very much for the update. In the meantime, we talk about as far as this action that has now been taken up by the Enforcement Directorate to file a charge sheet in the National Herald case. The BJP has now pointed out that Congress could not have given a loan out of a party fund to a private body, and saying that it is now payback time for the looters.
कांग्रेस पार्टी देश भर में तथाकथित प्रदर्शन कर रही है। नेशनल हेराल्ड केस भारत के इतिहास का बहुत विचित्र प्रकार का केस है, जिसमें कि कोई कंपनी जो कि 90 करोड़ की देनदारी में बिक गई, जिसके पास हजारों करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी थी। दूसरी दृष्टि से देखें तो एक विचित्र केस है जिसमें खरीदने वाले और बेचने वाले दोनों एक ही थे। तो सवाल उठता है कि क्या कांग्रेस अपने 50 साल के शासनकाल में अपनी विरासत को बचा नहीं पाई, या वो जनता में इतनी अनपॉपुलर हो गई थी वो विरासत कि कोई उसका खरीदार नहीं था। ये अपने आप में कांग्रेस पार्टी की नीयत पर सवाल पैदा करता है।
वो चीज 4 साल से चल रही है, जिसमें आप संतोषजनक जवाब नहीं दे पाए। जहां कानून अपना काम कर रहा है, वहां पर कर रहे हैं वेंडेटा। द लॉ इज टेकिंग इट्स ओन कोर्स। हम बीजेपी की ओर से सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी से सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, क्या कानून को अपना काम नहीं करना चाहिए? श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी एंड राहुल गांधी जी काइंडली रिप्लाई। तो फिर ये धरना, वेंडेटा, नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार है, कानून को अपना काम करने देगी।
So today as well, the Congress leaders and Karyakartas are planning to hit the streets in multiple states as far as the ED action in the National Herald case is concerned. We'll keep our viewers updated. The morning news hour continues on the other side of a very short break.